Yo, Gamble, there's somebody here for you. They say they just killed the Joker. They brought the body. So, dead, that's 500. Now, how about alive, huh? You wanna know how I got these scars? My father was a drinker and a fiend. One night, he goes off crazier than usual. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. He doesn't like that. Not one bit. So, me watching, he takes the knife to her, laughing while he does it. He turns to me, and he says, "Why so serious?" He comes at me with the knife. "Why so serious?" He sticks the blade in my mouth. "Let's put a smile on my face." And why so serious? Now, our operation is small, but there's lots of room for aggressive expansion. Which one of you wants to join our team? But there's only room for one, so we're gonna have tryouts. Make it fast.